Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This is a 360 video and you can view around by swiping, tilting, clicking, whatever works for your device. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving southwest on Montgomery Avenue towards O'Mara Road. Turning off Montgomery Avenue onto Grants Crescent. Grants Crescent ends here, and just ahead is Hagley Park Road. Turning onto Hagley Park Road towards 3 miles. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.